So how to install Fortnite on your Android and iPhone? Go to your any browser, go to browser and search on Epic Game. Then go to this website and then search Fortnite here, or if you scroll down, then in free section you can see the game, view more, then here it is. Just press on game, press on, select your date of birth, press on continue. Now press on install and select download anywhere, and it's now downloading. Go to download and select just once and go to setting, give the permission and press on install. Now it's installing. And for iPhone, same, go to your Epic Game. You can see the Fortnite. You need to select your date of birth and continue. Then you can see the top right corner, install on. Then if you are staying Europe zone, this is only allow for this, but if you out of Europe, then it's not open or not download to your iPhone. But for Android, you can download from anywhere. So don't forget to thumbs up and have a good day.